Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 car key programmers for efficient key coding and diagnostics. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Xhorse VVDI Mini Key Tool. The Xhorse VVDI Mini Key Tool is a compact and versatile key programming tool that supports the 96-bit 48 clone function and superchip programming. It's globally compatible and ideal for various remote key programming needs. The advantages of this key programming tool are compact and portable design, supports 96-bit 48 clone function, global compatibility. The disadvantages of this key programming tool are limited to specific key types, requires technical expertise for operation. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Launch X431 Key Programmer X4 Key Set. This comprehensive key programming toolset works seamlessly with the X431 Pad V, IMMO Elite, IMMO Plus, and Prog 3. It's designed for IMMO programming and comes fully stocked, offering reliable performance for key coding. The advantages of this key programmer are compatible with multiple X431 devices, fully stocked for immediate use, reliable and durable construction. The disadvantages of this key programmer are high cost, complex setup process. At number 3. VXDIAG CX Nano for Volvo Car OBD2 Scanner, designed for Volvo cars. The VXDIAG CX Nano is an OBD2 scanner and diagnostic tool with active test coding and J2534 programming. It supports all system diagnoses and is ideal for both DIYers and professionals. The advantages of this OBD2 scanner are tailored for Volvo vehicles, supports active test coding, J2534 programming capable. The disadvantages of this OBD2 scanner are limited to Volvo cars, requires additional software for full functionality. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. XTOOL InPlus IK618 Key Programmer. The XTOOL InPlus IK618 is a multifunctional car diagnostic tool featuring IMMO key programming, ECU coding, and anti-theft functions. It comes with the KC100 adapter for seamless integration and enhanced functionality. The advantages of this car key programmer are multifunctional with ECU coding and anti-theft, includes KC100 adapter, wide vehicle compatibility. The disadvantages of this car key programmer are learning curve for beginners, limited support for some car models. At number 1. Autel MaxiIM IM508 SXP400 Pro OBD2 Automotive Scanner, an all-in-one diagnostic tool for all cars. The Autel MaxiIM IM508 SXP400 Pro offers advanced IMMO key programming and OBD2 scanning. With full system diagnosis and ECU coding, it's a versatile tool for professional mechanics and car enthusiasts. The advantages of this automotive scanner are comprehensive vehicle coverage, all-in-one programming and diagnostic tool, user-friendly interface. The disadvantages of this automotive scanner are expensive for casual users, requires regular updates.